I woke up and decided by hook or by crook, I was starting the live income lab challenges today. Challenge number one, make $100 in a few hours. So I started thinking of my skills and immediately blanked. Panic brain is real. My list had singing, dancing, organization. Meanwhile, I forgot my actual hardcore skills. But I wanted to think like someone who needed money quickly. So I switched to what can I sell right now? I searched for places in Barbados that buy items, found cash register nearby, and called. They said they take jewelry, tools, appliances, and almost anything working, no clothes or shoes. So I went with old jewelry. Very excited to report I found it on my own. Genius? I think so. Well, I found it. I really took a bag of nonsense in people's place. Look at this before I left home. I was just rushing, throwing everything together. I mean it. I had a bag of confusion since I rushed. Some silver, gold, costume jewelry, broken pieces, nonsense. I couldn't film inside, but they tested everything and the process took almost 3 hours. Most of that bag of crap came right back home with me, plus food because I was starving by then. All that silver got me a whopping $50. Then a pair of broken small gold earrings got me $88. Final result, $138. Not bad for stuff I just had sitting there for years. I'm sure it all cost more when it was bought, but hey.